Go ahead.
After start checklist, Gen 1, Gen 2.
On.
ACDC pages.
Checked.
APU Gen.
Off.
10 stage on the APU.
On.
Ignition.
Disarm.
Packs.
On.
14 stage left-right check. Anti-ice wing checks. Isolation valve checks. Anti-ice call checks. Wing calls anti-ice. Wings off calls on for the test. EPR.
Check down.
Ground flight spoiler.
Check doodle.
FS mode synchronized. Flaps 20. ADG control unit. Flight controls checked. No steer.
Armed.
Flight instrument cast.
Checked.
Checked. Subground wings anti-ice in progress. Taxi.
Yo.
One is coming. Accra. Request taxi.
Taxi Alpha Alpha 2.
With taxi Alpha 2. Confirm behind 737.
Negative.
Copy.
Alpha 2.
Copy taxi Alpha 2.
Left clear.
Right clear.
Slide on.
Check.
My brakes are checked. Check your brakes.
Stand by one.
Check. Thank you.
Sorry. My brakes. Checking brakes.
Go ahead.
Brake checks your brakes.
My brakes.
Clear right.
Accra Tower, Icecar Hotel, Quebec Hotel. Good morning.
Okay, so block fuel in time.
Juliet Alpha landed
You manage?
08,
Yeah.
Mike
Cool.
2 to the base.
Mike 2 to the base, thank you very much. Juliet Alpha.
Confirm operation completed or another round will come.
Another round, we have about
Taxi checklist.
Taxi
Roger.
checklist. Brakes.
Checked.
Thrust reverser.
Checked.
Take a brief, so we are stop-minded.
Tower, Icecar
And after everyone, we continue
Hotel, good morning.
straight ahead, 3,000 feet.
Icecar Hotel,
That's briefed.
Quebec Hotel, good morning.
Taxi checklist complete.
Quebec Hotel,
And
helicopter.
regular.
5Z99
Regular
Hotel.
departure.
Registration call hotel.
4 miles, runway heading, turn left, and return onward, direct. Flight level 370.
1,000 feet, so support is 08, endurance on startup is 2 hours. Icecar Hotel, Quebec Hotel. Quebec Hotel, QNH 1012, temperature 30, startups approved, next ready for liftoff. QNH 1012, temperature 30, coordinates ready for liftoff. Icecar Hotel, Quebec Hotel. Report endurance.
6 hours. So not.
Yeah.
Endurance is 6 hours.
6 hours and 3 persons on board, confirm.
I do confirm.
Roger, airport next ready.
Airport ready.
Quarter, Passenger 132 ready for departure. Passenger 132, runway 2 and wind is 240 degrees 80 knots, clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff, runway 2 on Passenger 132.
Takeoff checklist above the line.
Above the line. Cabin.
Clear.
Secure continuation. Off. Transponder. Terrain air above. Hook. Above, below. Okay. Weather radar on ATS safety. Engage. Above the line. Complete.
Well, they're actually behaving. They're waiting on the side. Now we get an escort.
I'm gonna pass through the engine now.
Sorry, I was just looking left. If still both of them are on the left side. Okay, you can report ready.
Okay. So we're ready for departure.
Stand by for departure.
Standing by.
And it's all the pop one shot at the first shot. We let's establish 7 miles, touch and go. Delta Foxtrot, continue approach. Continue approach at Foxtrot.
Accra, passenger 190.
Passion 190.
Good morning, sir. 190, 9 o'clock, kilometers for the Charlie, position of the 5 request. Local start, flight to Kwa, flight level 200, and then 10440 and standby for passenger CS and 190.
190, start as approved, next ready for taxi.
Taxi 190.
Delta Foxtrot, clear touch and go. Upon left downwind. Remember recording next lap down. This will be a short approach for full stop after. Passion 132, airborne at 11, approach 195 today. 195, good day, Passion 132.
You don't even want to try to get close and see how it is?
Kodo Tower, Delta 157, request
kind of get closer, see, and then if not possible, we just... Because we have the fuel for that.
Delta 157,
just to see our options.
Start approved, face north, runway 21, next ready for taxi.
Push to start approved, will face north, will advise ready for taxi,
this is
Delta
the
157.
military aircraft.
Kaza. Boom, 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 huh?
Tower Icecar would like to wait hotel ready for lift off and it.
Ouais.
Icecar hotel, keep up hotel, standby for lift off.
But if you say...
Just ça.
But I'm also happy if you say we don't even try. We just go north right away.
We'll see, maybe it's gonna be like... So...
Delta for show down and full stop. Traffic will be avoiding active.
Yeah, just tell them ready for departure.
Yeah.
Ibaguto
Is on downwind for full stop.
0 degrees at 900. Airport airborne, cross active, direct, Charlie not above 2000 feet. Score will be 4666. Hotel is not about 2,000 feet to answer. VFR from 466, Quebec Hotel.
Well, they could have let us take off and then just tell him, you know, to let us.
If I can.
I mean, it's so.
It's ready for departure.
Somebody.
Yeah.
So inefficient.
And that's going to 021, sir. Requesting flight cover for ratio length.
Roger, advice.
To prioritize military aircraft maybe here.
Well, prioritized, but they could have just put him on downwind for just another minute, let us take off, and then just let him. I mean, we would have taken off already 3 times in the meantime.
But there is a chopper as well who's taking off.
Airborne 16. Standing by estimate.
I think it's due to helicopters.
Delta Foxtrot, wind is 260 degrees 10 knots, clear to land.
Yes.
Tower confirm, Quebec Hotel, estimate 0930. 0930, copy. Hotel report next to travel inside.
We have traffic inside Quebec. Quebec Hotel will call to travel inside.
Line up and wait 121.
Line up and wait 1821. Below the line?
Go ahead. Left clear, and this helicopter on downwind.
Yeah, inside. Below the line. Cabin
Secure.
Sorry. Wind calls anti-hive.
Off.
Windshield low, probes on, CAS.
Take off config, okay.
Take off config. Okay. One waiting.
Stand by. I don't like those runways where you don't see the end of the runway.
Delta 157 information, Juliet, ready for taxi. We can accept Alpha 2.
Delta 157, taxi Alpha Alpha 2.
The heading is checked.
Taxi Alpha
Take
2,
off
Delta
clearance, not
157.
Wind is 240 degrees 10 knots, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff 181. And takeoff clearance obtained.
Obtained.
And Delta...
It is a 9 complete.
Your brakes, your controls.
My brakes, my controls ready.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Good morning.
We are en route.
Check.
Airborne to Kotoka.
Takeoff thrust.
To make 2 certain goals. We have 2 souls on board. Endurance is 4 hours. Not about 1,500. Charlie Tango Mike.
80.
Check.
Delta 157, souls on board 201.
Rotate.
Endurance fuel 13.8.
Positive rate.
Gear up. Flight level change, sorry. Heading mode.
Heading.
Contact Alpha 1195.
Gear up.
Thank you.
Oops.
9 Golf Charlie Tango Mike, contact approach 1195.
Nana Golf Charlie Tango Mike, contact approach 119.
Speed 200 is set.
Thank you. Speed is 178, flap 0. Thank you.
Passing 3,800 feet, correction, flight level 3800.
I'm still on... okay, flap 0, 250 please for the speed. And set standard boss. Thank you.
Tower. Passing flight level 47.
Taxi again, airborne 20, contact approach 1195.
119.5. Goodbye.
And I read flight level 53, top.
Stand at set check.
After take a checklist when you have time, please.
Not here anymore.
Excuse me?
It's on the wrong page. Accra departure, good day. We are passing level 68, climbing flight level 370, intercepting airway upper Bravo 600.
Could you give me the 090 please? Thank you.
Lapstar 161, how do you read?
Lapstar 161, I read you 5 by 500.
Okay, reaching out. Yeah, we're approaching Kato. Yeah, somebody was blocking the frequency.
Yes, I was trying to find out who was blocking the aircraft when I approached your body established.
Wilco, 161.
Quebec Hotel, how do you read? I read you 5-5. Route direct to Accra. Quebec Hotel, confirm your altitude?
700, other side.
To take a checklist, landing lever up, flaps 0, thrust reverses up, climb thrust, set. To transfer to APUs of gas, APR, pressurization checked, after take a checklist completed.
Thank you. Set speed 270 please.
And Lapstar 161, establish 10 miles.
Lapstar 161, 10 miles from touchdown, contact tower
And climb checklist.
Thank you, Tower 86. Accra approach, Nana Gold, Charlie Tango, Mike, good morning.
Checklist on, engine, APU on, passenger signs.
Okay.
From Albania to Kotoka, current view overhead at Tema Harbor.
Pressurization is checked, not the timing, so watching that, and altimeters.
Not about 1,000.
Standard set plus check.
Standard set, crash check, climb checklist, one open left and
On fab,
pressurization.
1,500 feet, Charlie Tango, Mike.
Distance from Alpha.
And autopilot on.
Autopilot on.
Thank you. So heading mode, autopilot coupled to the right.
Charlie Tango, Mike.
Heading mode, flight level change, 370 and 270.
And I have traffic is a helicopter, currently at 700 feet, is proceeding to Siena.
100, so direct tuk-tuk.
Okay, Charlie Tango, Mike.
Confirmed.
Tac, nav available, nav mode,
Station 132 report your estimation.
and nav 2.
Checked. It's unbelievable, they're talking so much, and it's so inefficient that you just can't make a call. I haven't been able to make a call.
132 estimation covered.
Accra approach, good day. Inbound Opemo, passing level 137, climbing flight level 370.
Radar contact. Climb flight level 370, direct to Bully.
Direct Ebuli, climb flight level 370.
Confirm.
Confirmed.
Direct to Bully. Or not. This heading was good.
Yeah, we'll have to see how it
Yeah, but the Bully is nice, still good. Okay. But we can see the big boys.